Hi everyone, my name is Ashish Pradhan and I am representing my organization Enlight Spoken English. Generally, I am going to focus on three major aspects of communication, that is listening, thinking and speaking. So while listening is important, if you don't understand what the other person is trying to say, you would not be able to communicate. So listening is there. Thinking, people try to translate from Marathi to English or from their own language to English, and then the fluency goes for a toss. Last but not the least, speaking. Unless and until you open your mouth and speak, you would not be able to communicate effectively. So speaking is also there. Okay, let's talk about the course structure. I'm going to start from parts of speech introduction from very basic level. Then I'll cover all 12 tenses with affirmative, negative and interrogative. It is not only grammar. It is going to be activity based learning. Then I'll cover parts of speech in detail. Then modal auxiliary like can, could, may, might. Then regular, irregular verbs. So I'm going to share 1000 verb list with the students and I expect them to use those verbs in their day-to-day communication. Then degree of comparison like positive, comparative, superlative, because we generally compare things in life, so it is important. Then direct indirect speech, something which is there in the quoted form, that is direct, and if you want to convey it to somebody else, that would be indirect speech. So I am going to cover that part also. Then active voice, passive voice. If you want to focus on subject, that would be active, and if you want to focus on object, that would be passive. Vocabulary building. Without vocabulary, how you can communicate effectively? So vocabulary building is there. Then phonetic training. This is for pronunciation purpose, because English is not like Marathi or Hindi or Sanskrit, the way we write, the way we speak. So phonetic training would also be there. This is for pronunciation. Then audio visual and interactive training. So I'm going to play different audios from the recognized sites and I expect you to listen to those audios and tell me what you have understood. Then body language sense. Our body talks more than our words, so it is very important to understand the body language. Confidence building activity. So I'm going to take different activities where you would communicate effectively. Dialogue writing, role play activities, then group discussion, interview skills, so that you will gain that confidence when you are going to face the interview. Email writing etiquettes, so which is very important. You can't just attach something and send it to your client. So how you can have effective email communication, that I will cover under email writing etiquettes. Then business communication. Okay, whether you handle your own business or you may be handling somebody else's business, so it should be effective. Then presentation skills. So what exactly I'm doing right now, I'm presenting myself. So same way I expect you to present in front of others. So maybe you are representing any organization, then how you should present yourself, how you should have effective communication, that I will cover under presentation skills. Then time management. So how you can effectively manage your time, that I will cover under time management. Online test would also be there, so that you can analyze yourself where exactly you are standing and you can improve accordingly. There would be limited students per batch, so there would be effective communication which can happen, right? So if you would like to have more information, you can visit my website www.enlightspokenenglish.com. Thank you very much.